Richard Snedaker from East Irwindale, California. This is a 1989 Ford F-800 semi-tractor. It's an ex-U.S. Navy truck. The engine is a 210 horsepower 7.8 Ford. The transmission is a Allison MT643 converted to a 653. This truck started off as a parts truck for my white Ford FT900. And this is either 10,000 trucks before it or 10,000 trucks after it. And according to the VIN, it was the same drivetrain. And this came out of Government Liquidators auction at Barstow. And I threw a maximum bid of $500 or $600 on it and got an email when I was working that I won it.
I'm guessing it didn't look like this when you got it.
Oh, no. It was a rust bucket when I got it. The cab was rusted out. The doors were rusted out. You could put your hand through the doors.
But this was supposed to be a parts truck?
Yeah, but we knew it wasn't a dead parts truck because pictures show the muffler was crushed. But there was a brand new muffler laying on the seat in the Ford box inside the cab. Indication the truck runs and can be reactivated if the Navy ever needed it. The rear suspension originally was leaf springs with 48 axles. It now has a Rayco Air Ride with a 390 axle and came out of a 2000 Peterbilt with an air locker. The 390 gear ratio change was the reason for converting the transmission, and it rolls on 24/5 rubber. The rear tires are the tires that were on the truck when it was auctioned.
So it was a good $500, $600 purchase then.
Yeah, but it's also probably, I don't even want to know how much money I spent on getting it to look and run this way.
How many years ago did you buy it?
I'd have to look. I don't even remember.
Over a decade?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So it's been a long-term project.
Yeah. Got the cab out of a different truck. The dash is out of a different truck because I wanted the factory AC. Then the seats are a combination because National doesn't offer the low pedestal with the nice seats. They have these trash truck seats on the low pedestal.
So it's a little bit of a Frankenstein truck.
Oh yeah, aren't all trucks? The step here is off of a Freightliner. These toolboxes are custom made because they're 29 inches long as opposed to being 30. And they're not 24 inches tall, but they're like 20 inches tall. That way it looks right with the bottom of the fuel tanks. It has a Class 5 trailer hitch on the back, and it can tow a 30,000-pound trailer. Air fittings all the way to the back, sliding fifth wheel. It's a little semi-tractor. And it'll go down the freeway at the legal speed limit without a problem. I was turning 2,000 RPM coming out here, and I was passing all the trucks. And the inside of the cab has the factory Ford sound insulation, lizard skin, quiet ride in the middle. So it's quiet inside.